combination, Christian Eriksen, goal scorer and goal maker. He just thinks attack.
Oh, he's such a clever player, and I think the message from the opposing manager too, don't concede any free kicks within shooting range, because he's top class from those distances.
This is today's Tottenham Hotspur team.
Hugo Lloris starts in goal. Kieran Trippier starts with Ben Davies as the fullbacks. Moussa Dembele starts with Eric Dyer in midfield. Harry Kane is the main striker today.
Number 20, Dele Alli. And number 10, Harry Kane.
The way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. Well, we put it up as a 5-2-3. It could be 3-4-3, couldn't it, if the wide players get forward from the back?
Yeah, I think it's one of those. It could be anything the manager wants it to be. He has got some very talented lads out there, though.
Thank you. Enjoy the game.
No great change for the Tottenham fans coming to the new stadium. Very close to the old one. The same cafe is available, the same transport system as well. And actually, it's closer to the street that is known as White Hart Lane than the other stadium.
All these supporters, of course, the only thing they've got to do is get used to the new seat, perhaps the new angle to look down on the pitch, but I'm sure they'd be delighted with it, and especially delighted if the team makes a success of this season.
Well, Harry Kane on the read is far too close across to the keeper. Here's Jota. There's good progress with this attack. Can put them in front here. That did look like a real opening, but they've dealt with it. Diogo Jota. João Moutinho. Lost the ball. Kane. This turnover could be costly against a side that can break like this. They're still going towards goal quickly. Dele Alli. And that will clear the danger. Here's Jota. João Moutinho. Oh, he spotted the pass and cut it out. Gets his foot in there. Jimenez. The pass not completed, really. Kane. Now Kane. João Moutinho. Well defended, not just getting across, he thought quickly as well. That's offside, and the referees acknowledge that fact. Sace. João Moutinho. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. And here they are on the attack. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. Oh, can he get it away here? Spurs can push up now. And shoots! Put them in front. Corner for Tottenham. Corner swung in. Oh, that's good defending. Son. And now the shot! And he blocked it then. Coming up now, a corner. The ball's just deflected behind for that. Corner played in. Can't put any pressure on the goalkeeper like that. Easy pickings from the corner. Interception here. Son. Chance to put it in the box from here. In towards the near post. Keeper goes with a fist here. Dembele. Nice bit of interplay. Shot on! Got to it and made the save comfortably.
Yeah, he would have got some stick if that had found the net. Well, the tide has been heading in only one.
Vertonghen! It's a good leap, but the header too high.
Yeah, unlucky. Give him another chance. I think he'll tuck that away.
Sace. To put them in front. It comes out off the goalkeeper. And the assistant signals for the throw. That throw has literally tossed possession away. Doherty threading it through. Not able to take full advantage of a good position. Corner now. And in it goes. Shots on here. Good stop by the goalkeeper. On the attack, in a wide area, Tottenham Hotspur. Trying to get the ball. Sace. Got the ball, and they're going at the opposition with speed. A penalty. Well. Sliding in and taking his part in the game into a dangerous territory, really.
Well, one or two people in the crowd howling for him to be punished for that. Certainly didn't get the ball.
He's got it all wrong with the penalty.
Oh, that was a shocker. I think the nerves got to him there.
Diogo Jota delivered into the box. And that will clear the danger. Here's Dyer. Saw the pass coming and got there first. Jimenez. Just a mistake, really. He's not even asked too much of the opponent. It's just a mishit pass. Presented possession to the opposition now. Jimenez. Sace. Jimenez. Opening them up with a through pass. Can he pick somebody out with his pullback? That is one of the great saves.
Had no right to stop that. Had no right to get a hand on it. What a stop. Still can't believe another head, you know, after that shot. And what a save it was from the keeper.
Eriksson. Hey, challenge in sharp. On to the attack now. Trying to get in behind just a little too eagerly then.
He could give the defender a yard, you know, and still get there.
Tottenham given the throw. Kieran Trippier. It's Eric Dyer. Jimenez. Trying to find an opening. Not panicking. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. Davis. Coming on strong and looking to play their way through now. Dele Alli. Here's Dyer. And shoots! Shot blocked here. He's given the free kick.
He seems to be lining up for the shot here, Martin, from this distance.
Went for goal from optimistic distance and nearly found it.
Yeah, it's a good effort. I think the keeper would have had it, though.
Gian Moutinho. Untidy work. Here's Ali. It's Eric Dyer. Read the play well to intercept. Possession given away once more. Big moment, actually, because there was a chance there if he hadn't been able to intervene. Must take the lead here. He's reached it and turned it aside. So it's out for a corner for Spurs, and they'll be hoping to make the most of it. Here comes the corner. Vertonghen! That's so straightforward enough. He can put them in front. First blood for Spurs.
And what a good finish that was. Took it quickly.
And that is a real mishap from the goalkeeper's point of view. But the striker isn't bothered, he's off on his lap of honour.
Yeah, I think the keeper was just trying to be a little bit too cute, too clever, rather than just clearing his lines.
Tottenham Hotspur in front. He's cut that out well read. And here are Spurs, stylishly going forward. Moussa Dembele. Dele Alli. On to Christian Eric. He's got his shot off now. Excellent interception. Dembele. That's cut out. Well, Tottenham haven't been absolutely on top of their game, but they are on the right side of the scoreline as we look towards half-time and maybe assess whether they can push on in the second half or whether they might be caught. Here's Ali. Dembele. Kieran Trippier. Has to get it into the box. Well, it was considered controlled attacking play, but it's come to nothing in the end. Maybe just kicked it a little bit there, and pass goes straight to the opposition. Well, this could be dangerous in a wide position.
As indicated, there will be a
Here's
minimum
Jota.
of 3 minutes of added time.
Dele Alli. Dembele. Kane. That's a great interception. Son. Beautifully timed that slide tackle. Had he got it wrong, it would have been a penalty. That's half-time at 1-0.